Hey guys, this is Shuman from Acer Technical. Today I am going to show you how to upgrade the RAM or memory on Acer's laptop. Alright, I have the Acer's laptop, model Acer E15 E5-57550RM. I bought it few days ago and today I am going to upgrade its memory. So let's get started. Alright, this laptop is 32GB memory supported. It has 4GB installed and I have bought another 4GB RAM to install in it. Alright, this is the 4GB laptop's memory, I mean RAM card. This is the Dolgix product. It comes with 3 years limited warranty. As you can see, type is DDR4 and its bus speed is 2133 MHz. As you can see. Here shows its maximum retail price 3400 INR. It's around 52 USD. Alright, now let me show you. Yeah, this is the laptop's RAM card. It just looks like this. Alright, this is Phillips Head 2.5mm screwdriver. It will have needed for access panel on the bottom. Alright, to install memory modules or RAM for a laptop, you need to follow some steps. You first want to make sure that the laptop has no electrical power and is cool and stable. Turn off the computer using the operating system shutdown process. Unplug the AC adapter cable from laptop's electrical outlet. Disconnect any other cabling to the laptop, including an Ethernet cable or a telephone modem wire. Now, remove the battery. If your laptop's battery is inside the laptop, then find a small pinhole at the bottom side of the laptop, as you can see. Insert a paper clip into the hole and gently press for 10 seconds to reset the battery. Now, let's open the laptop's access panel. Before remove the access panel, keep in mind that do everything very gently. Alright, we have to unscrewing 3 screws before removing the access panel. Now, let's do this. After unscrewing, I will recommend you that open the access panel through plastic pry tool. If you do not have, then try to open the access panel with your finger, as like I'm doing. Just follow me. And one more thing, please don't open through screwdriver because there's a possibility of breaking the access panel and laptop's part. Alright, now listen very carefully before holding the RAM card on your hand. Hold the RAM card with 2 fingers only and keep in mind that it must not be rubbed. Alright, then gently put the RAM card onto empty RAM slot and then gently press the RAM card equally with your 2 fingers, as you can see. Alright, if you want to remove it, then gently slide the module out of its connector and out of the slot. That's it. Alright, next gently close the access panel and screwing 3 screws. Next, reinstall the main battery. If your laptop's battery is inside the laptop, then just boot up your PC as like first boot. Turn the laptop right side up. Alright, to check the memory status, just restart the computer and be ready to enter your laptop's BIOS with hitting on F2. Then you will see the memory status on Information tab, as you can see. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.